I literally typed one sentence and I got this entire storyboard generated for me, essentially making a single idea from text to a 9-shot storyboard, which I used later to create these amazing videos you will see on screen right now. Absolutely insane, right? This was done with Invideo Vision, which is a free service that you can access right now. Make sure to go into the link in the description and test it out because this is an amazing feature. Essentially, you give it one sentence of what you want to create and it turns it into a 9-shot storyboard. The shots are ordered, they're cinematic, and they have a high visual quality. So I went ahead and created my own story. So what I wanted to do is show the progression of a couple since they're kids till they are dead and they go to heaven. So I've added a lot of different parts of their story together, and Invision generated this high quality storyboard for me. Then I used their next feature, which is extract shot, which you can find here as well. And what I done is I select which shot out of the storyboard I want to extract. And you can do this for all of the shots, then use a video generator, combine them together and create an amazing AI story. You can use this for YouTube AI short automations, for long form content, for filler material in your videos to increase its visual strength and appeal. Then I take each of the shots and I use them with video generators that Invideo offers so many of them to create videos out of these. Additionally, they have this angles feature which you can use to change the angle of each of the extracted images. So essentially you want to upload an image and ask it to create a different angle. So here we can see a lot of variations of these kids being together. We can also see here the angles and we get so many different angles which we can use. You don't have to select only one. You can A/B test with multiple angles on your videos, talk with other people to select the exact angle you want. Also, they have this looks feature that allows you to shift the look of the image, which I think is super powerful. So you can get different kind of looks with coloring, etc. for your use case. And of course, you don't have to select only one look. You can use all of these, talk with your designers, videographers to select the best one. You can do A/B testing with your videos, like generate multiple different videos, put them out and test out the results. And so, I mean, look at all of the things we created completely for free. We generated multiple angles within a single shot, meaning we take text and we turn it into multiple different scenes with different angles, with different styles, all super fast, super easily in just a couple of minutes. This really shouldn't be free. And finally, I take these images and generate videos using different kind of models. In my own specific use case, kid videos are not able to be generated by most AI models, so I'm kind of limited. However, they also offer some other tools that are less restrictive, like LTX Pro. They also have 2.6, especially for people that want to create anime. This is pretty amazing. And really, it's the first time that I have felt that there is this, very simple way to create end-to-end workflows all within a single platform while having character consistency. This is pretty amazing. So I will leave the link for it down below in the description if you want to test it out. One of the most amazing things is that for people that want to use Invideo more seriously, I mean, if you're a video creator, if you are a videographer, if you work in advertisement, they have very affordable plans that lets you access pretty much all of the state-of-the-art video models, image models. You can create so many things with these, and the cost is really low. Like for the generative plan, it's like $100 per month with a yearly subscription. This is pretty insane and quite cheap for what you get.